So this is a little framework I put together for evaluating the products in the space. And I've talked to a number of folks, and everyone agrees it's not easy to create a framework like this, so it's not perfect. But you can see here on the y-axis, there's a buyer hub, seller hub, and then both buyer and seller hub. No one's really one or the other. It's really a matter of the focus of the organization. Are they focused on, who are they targeting for sales? Are they focused on the sellers, or are they focused more on the buyers? Or is it very evenly split? On the x-axis is the product platform agnostic. In other words, it can run on any platform. It can store data on any platform. It can work across regions. Or are they dependent on a product, a cloud platform specifically, or has to run in a specific region, or it has to use a specific cloud data management tool? So this is where I'm putting the vendors right now. Harbor, Narrative, and Revelate tend to focus on selling to data providers and data sellers. Crux actually doesn't generate a marketplace, but it is very useful in helping data buyers and data sellers ingest external data and create and maintain those pipelines. In fact, it started as a managed service, and now it's turning that into a SaaS service. Dawix is really good at establishing those government, country, regional, municipal marketplaces, but that's not all it does. In fact, all these pure plays will support all 4 different types of marketplaces that I went through earlier. And Informatica is focused today on internal data marketplaces only. And then on the other side, you've got the platform-dependent players, Databricks, Google, Microsoft, Snowflake, and usually somewhere in the mix, you have to use their product for something, although Databricks has recently announced and is shipping open source Delta sharing product. That's a protocol that works with Delta tables, which itself is open source and can move data between any cloud platform, region, and data management system. So right here, I've written very short snippets on what the key differentiators of each product is. I'm not going to go through each of these. When we produce the data marketplace report that Kevin mentioned at the outset, that'll come out in January. It'll have deeper profiles on each of these products, so look for that. But this gives you a sense of what some of the real key differentiator, what separates them from the pack.